To install apps without App Store and Apple ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to install apps without App Store and Apple ID. So first of all, just simply open your App Store, and as we all know that Apple really controls how you will be able to download the application in your mobile. Since you want to bypass using Apple ID and App Store, just simply open your Chrome browser or your Safari browser on your iPhone or on your iPad, and after that, just navigate to the developer's website. If it is your first time installing from this developer, you will need to enable app installation from the developer by going to the settings and then click on the developer name to confirm. And just simply have to follow the on screen steps to finish the installation. This method also involves using a third party application, sometimes referred to as an app installer, or install other apps into your iOS device. These installers can download the app you want and then sideload them in your device if you want to. You will need to download the installer directly to your device and then follow its on screen instructions to install the app. So, this is how simple it is. So, that's how you will be able to install apps without App Store or Apple ID. I hope you find this video to be helpful.